Right now I'm really excited because I came into the snake room and we were expecting some eggs either in the first, on the 21st all the way to the 23rd. And we didn't really know when we were going to get them. So I came in to check on my Mojave girl and I find her all coiled up very conspicuously. So I was like, all right, let me check. So I took out the tub, I looked underneath, and she laid appears to be six very pearly white healthy eggs. So I'm very excited because we paired her to this, you can kind of see him peeking through the plexiglass there, or the plastic. Belle, Blue-Eyed Lucy, and that would put her in a very good situation for giving us also a clutch of bells. So hoping that we get all bells, but they look to be all healthy. So what I'm going to do now is get her moved over to another tub, take her off the eggs, and then I'm going to get the eggs out. I'll take pictures, another video, and I'll show you guys that whole process. She's a pretty calm snake, so I don't think she's going to freak out. But I'm going to be really careful with her and make sure that she doesn't squish the eggs. So stay tuned. We'll get her moved over to this other tub here, and then I'll take some pictures of the eggs. Alright, let's see the mama snake. Hey, pretty girl. Alright. Good girl. Oh, she's got one in her coil still. Let go, sweetheart. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we'll get her all washed up, but as you can see, let's see, 1, 2, 3, yep, 6 nice eggs. We've got a little bit of windowing here, which could equate to some kind of calcium deficiency or something of that nature, but overall they look really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a Sharpie out and I'm going to mark them just so that we know that these were the tops. So I'll put a little M on here for Mojave. And they're very warm, so that's good. She must have just laid them within the past couple of hours because we checked her this morning, we didn't see anything. So I'm going to take their temperatures. We're reading 93, 92, 96, that one's a little toasty. 92, 93, 96. Okay, so I'm going to get these guys moved over to where they're going to be in the incubator bin, and then I will candle them. So these are all kind of attached. Typically you don't want to pull them apart because there's a fear that you could rupture the eggs. So it looks like we've got a interesting grouping of those there. So what I'm probably going to have to do here is take these two back out, and I'm going to remove some of the substrate in this container so that we can get this thing to sit down a little bit further in there, this hatch tray. Great. So this is just vermiculite, I believe. It's a growing medium that they use for plants, but there we go. Get that pressed down in there so it doesn't touch those other eggs. So let's see if these guys fit. So, here. Alright. And looks like they're still sticking up, so I'm probably gonna have to take out some more here. So what I've done is I've transferred the vermiculite mixture to a little bit of a deeper container, which I'm hoping is gonna work because this is my kind of last ditch effort before I'm gonna have to redneck engineer something. And it looks like they are just going to fit. Hopefully, let's see. Let's make sure this top goes on, doesn't sit. Perfect. Awesome. So it gives that egg about 1/4 inch on top. So now what I'm going to do is candle the eggs, and obviously it's very dark in here, but it will allow us to see inside the egg. And what this will do is let us know if there are healthy veins and also if there seems to be a baby. So looks like some good veins there, a little thin, but definitely a baby in there. Check this one. More veins, very good. Very veiny. Nice. Nice veins on that one. This one's looking a little, oh, there we go. You see the veins there in the yolk. And good veins. So no duds. Looks like we've all got viable eggs here.